Graphenizer is empowered with graphene, a miracle material of tomorrow's world. It is harder than diamond and 200 times stronger than steel. It cools down the overheat instantly as it is a heat conductor and more flexible than rubber. Graphenizer is formulated in Dubai by Physic, a research and development company which is pushing the boundaries of innovation in the fields of artificial intelligence to smart materials. Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp